This park is so peaceful. I love coming here.
Yeah, it's really relaxing. Fresh air, green trees, birds singing.
And?
And snacks. Don't forget the snacks.
Of course, food is always important to you.
Absolutely. A happy stomach creates a happy person.
That sounds scientifically questionable.
No, I'm basically a philosopher.
A philosopher with potato chips.
The best kind.
You know, I saw an interesting question online today.
Uh-oh. Is this another one of your deep life questions?
Maybe. The question was, what are your strengths?
That actually is interesting.
So, tell me about your strengths.
Wow, suddenly this peaceful park feels like a job interview.
Relax. I'm not interviewing you.
Good, because I forgot to bring my resume.
Just answer the question.
Alright, I think one of my strengths is making people feel comfortable.
That's definitely true.
Really?
Yeah, you can start conversations with literally anyone.
That's a useful talent.
Last week, you talked to a stranger for 20 minutes while waiting for ice cream.
He seemed lonely.
You talked about superheroes, football, and fried chicken.
Important topics.
Very important.
See? People open up around me.
Honestly, even the ducks in this park would probably trust you.
Good. I've always wanted duck approval. Okay, your turn. What are your strengths?
I think I'm a good listener.
That's 100% true.
Really?
Yes. You remember tiny details about people.
I just pay attention.
3 months ago, I mentioned that I liked mango juice one time.
And now I always bring mango juice when we hang out.
Exactly. That's impressive.
Well, it's nice when people feel remembered.
Meanwhile, I forget where I put my phone while I'm holding it.
You actually did that yesterday.
Please don't expose me in public.
Aw, that dog is so cute.
Very cute, but also very fast.
I think he smells your snacks.
Impossible. My snacks are secretly protected.
I don't think your security system is working.
This dog has excellent detective skills.
See? Even dogs feel comfortable around you.
Another strength unlocked.
What else are you good at?
I think I stay calm during stressful situations.
Mostly true.
Mostly?
What about the time we got lost downtown?
I was calm.
Daniel, you walked in circles for 30 minutes.
That was strategic exploration.
Strategic confusion.
Excuse me, I eventually found the right street.
Because an old woman helped us.
She was very wise.
I think positivity is also a strength.
Definitely.
Some people complain about everything. But positive people make life easier for everyone around them.
That's true.
And honestly, you're usually pretty positive.
I try to be.
Even when things go wrong, you still joke around.
Well, stress already exists. Why add more stress?
That's actually a really good point.
Thank you. My brain works well, once every 3 business days.
You're impossible.
Okay, Miss Good Listener, what's your weakness?
Maybe I overthink sometimes.
Oh, absolutely.
Hey,
Last month you spent 2 hours deciding what caption to write on Instagram.
captions are important.
You wrote 15 different versions.
I wanted the perfect one.
What was the final caption?
Nice weather.
2 hours for that?
Listen, creativity takes time. This was a really nice conversation.
Yeah, it's actually good to think about strengths sometimes.
Why?
Because people usually focus too much on their weaknesses.
That's true.
But everyone has something special about them.
Aw, that's surprisingly thoughtful.
I have rare moments of wisdom.
Very rare.
Anyway, I think one of your biggest strengths is kindness.
That's sweet.
And you make people feel calm and happy.
Thank you.
Also, you share your snacks.
There it is.
True friendship is built on trust, support, and snacks.
Honestly, that should be written in a book.
Or on a park bench.
Everyone has strengths. Some people are funny, kind, positive, calm, or caring. Talking about strengths can help us appreciate ourselves and the people around us. So, what are your strengths?